Good morning. Today is Saturday, and today is my father-in-law's Thanksgiving service. See, I know that you guys don't know, my father-in-law is a 7 days Adventist man, pastor. So yeah, so that's why we're going to church on Saturday to go and do his Thanksgiving. Let me know how I'm looking. This is the first time I'm actually trying to put this frontal with gum or a glue or what they call it, that got to be. And the mistake I did was I didn't do my edges before 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 installing it. But anyways, let me know how it looks in the comment section. Did I do a great work? At least next time I will improve. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I come back. So I'm wearing this black short outfit, and let me show you guys what I'm wearing on my leg. I'm wearing this short heels. I don't know what people call it, so you can see. Yeah, probably do a full look for me when we come back from church, because we need to meet up with the Thanksgiving service. Stay hooked in this vlog and enjoy. Bye for now. So we are. You owe me that. My birthday photo shoot pictures. Guys, we're just busy outside here shooting pictures, like snapping pictures to make sure everything is cool. We're done with the Thanksgiving. I'm going to be giving you guys all the latest gist. This is my first time of being in 7 days Adventist church, and I'm going to be giving you guys all my review, okay? And then letting you guys know if I will continue this church or not. Anyways, see me with my husband cap. What do you guys think in the comment section? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Yeah. So I went to church and I came back alone, and I just filmed a sit down video. Probably the sit down video would definitely be going up before the vlog, but yeah. Anyway, this is me just giving you guys update. So I'll see you guys in my next slide. I need to do a lot of things. I need to clean this house. My sister-in-laws are coming today because we have cake to bake. I told them that this is my first Christmas, okay? So I want to bake cake, and the Ada and the younger one is coming, which is my two sister-in-laws. I'm going to be missing the Ada so much because she'll be traveling after December. She'll be going back to work in Abuja. She'll be going back to her husband. So I'm definitely going to miss her. So I just want to create memories. Probably we'll just go out tomorrow. That's what my hubby was telling me. He said he wants to take them out. So it's going to be like fun back to back. Anyways, you guys should just stay hooked in this vlog. Let me just do my cleaning. I don't know if I'll carry you guys. If I didn't carry you guys, just pardon me. As I'm seeing those clothes on the couch, my mind is beating. I'll see you guys later. So guys, my cake is about to be late. So right now we're missing the butter and sugar, eggs, saving the flour, milk, and every other thing. Enjoy!
I forgot fix name first before I do this video so that my name will show.
Your hand name will show. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back here with another Vibes on Your Table. So we're done with the cake. Right now it's in the oven. I'll go and show you guys how you guys doing. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. I have to be putting my face here because I'm doing my poppo tax. If I didn't put my face, they will deduct 5,000 coins for me. Anyway, poppo is also a live streaming app. You can live stream and then make money. Okay, so if you don't know, go and check it. I have a video about poppo, so check it out and thank me later. You can see me performing my tax. So I'll just put my face here like this and be doing whatever I'm doing for like 1 hour. Anyways, let me go and check and show you guys the process of the cake. Today is 24th and this video should be going up today. I don't know, if you didn't go, fine. And we are having a night out later with me, hubby, and my sister-in-laws. Anyways, let me show you guys the cake and I'll come back to you guys. Hey guys, let me show you guys. So my cake is caking well. It has rise to the point of rising, okay? So, but I know it's not ready yet, Sha. So we'll check it later and I'll get back to you guys in this video, okay? I'll be using this color. Let me know what you think about this color in the comment section. So yeah, just stay hooked and enjoy the vlog. Guys, I just finished sorting out my nails. As my hand is like this, this one is for 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 this, and this one is for this. So let's start fixing now, okay? Love you guys. And I'm just waiting for it to get more cold. It's still warm. It's no longer hot because it's about 20 minutes I dropped it out, so making cool more. Then we're gonna turn this. Let me know how this is giving. So we're gonna turn this. Okay. Then dun 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 dun. The love shape on. We're gonna turn. Like my pan is clean. When I mean clean, very neat. So this is a tea cake. This is love shape. And this is box shape. So Merry Christmas to you all. You guys should come and chop cake. Come and chop cake. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Away. So let's cut this cake and let's see what is given. See what is given. Say, put a check. I'm a caterer. Hand making cake looking like this. My sister-in-law want to chop. Let's go there.
For the pan now, wait till you put for the
This
pan.
is so good. This is so good.
Wait till you put for the pan.
Butter.
And flour. So that I go easy to come out.